I'm cooking for you, cooking for me. I'm cooking for my whole family. Check it out.
Hey guys, it's Miss Janita, Vlogmas 22, almost through. Anyway, I'm back in with another video. Come to share what's for dinner. First, we're gonna have fried chicken. And what's back there? Fried chicken and candy peanut M&Ms. Sounds good to me. Yep, still shopping from the freezer and the pantry. Yeah, we're gonna throw some french fries and some corn on the cob with this fried chicken. And go from there. I might make some biscuits. But happy holiday season, everyone. You still out there guilt shopping? Well. Let's see what's in this grocery chat news today. Nothing but gossip from the internet. I can't believe that y'all know T.D. Jakes, a preacher. They are, like, I don't know, destroying him allegedly, accusing him of being down low because he went to the P. Diddy parties, if you know who that is, P. Diddy, who is right now allegedly being charged. Is he being charged? I don't know if he's being charged, but he's being accused. He's been accused of having a sex organization, something like that. See, I don't know. They throwing up so many titles for his crime, whatever you want to call it, that allegedly. And now the preachers are even I don't know, they angry, mad at TJ Jakes because he went to Diddy's party, and they say allegedly P. Diddy parties are freak parties where the men are involved with the men, and they doing all kind of stuff over there at the Diddy parties. And what is T.D. Jakes doing over there? Because he's supposed to be a man of God, they say. And now the pastors, I seen a YouTube video, they are, they was angry, and they was saying all kind of, I guess it would be hurtful to T.D. Jakes, what they said about him, calling him all kind of monsters, demons, someone that's fake, has fake love for the Lord. And not only that, they also including Tyler Perry, because they showed a clip of Tyler Perry putting hands on T.D. Jakes, and he just fell out. You know, if you know about church, how you put hands on people and you're supposed to be the spirit go through you, and you go limp. That's what Tyler did to T.D. Jakes, and they saying both of them, they on the internet saying both of them are fake men of God. And they say both of them allegedly are on the down low. Tyler supposed to be gay. T.D. Jakes supposed to be gay. They supposed to have all that gay stuff going on at PD parties. This is all in the internet, you guys. It's not Miss Janita. It's what I'm seeing. Why am I choosing to talk about it? Because it's an incredible story. Who would think that T.D. Jakes is doing such a thing? Well-known, popular preacher and a billionaire movie star who just made a documentary about his life on Netflix, I think it is. It's Netflix? Yeah, I think it's Netflix. And that's some of the clues that Kristen Keys, the guy who was accusing 2 billionaires and a woman of sexual assaulting him. The woman, he said, and on a show or something, grabbed his genitals. And he was saying in his hard testimony that day, about 4 or 5 days ago, something like that, that if he had done that to her, he'd been in jail and locked up. But he said that woman had nerve to grab him, I guess, 3 2, 3, 4 times in his genitals and look at him like it was the right thing to do. So women assault, sexual assault men too. It's just not the women getting sexual assault, men too. And now he had came back on the social media and told everybody saying, okay, they said, okay, it's not Tyler Perry because he liked this woman's comment. He comes back the other day, I believe, in on Twitter or something, and says that he did not say it's not Tyler Perry. So the reason why it seems like it's Tyler Perry to everybody is because he mentioned the person just had made a documentary. Nobody made a documentary but Tyler Perry. If you've seen it, it's on Netflix. And then he said this person's a billionaire Hollywood movie producer. And everybody in the comments is saying, well, most of the people are saying, allegedly, I just said allegedly, it's Tyler Perry. Then Kristen Keys says, you guys already named him in the comments. And then they got this guy named, what's his name? The guy's name is, oh Lord, I can't even think his name right now, but he said, y'all already said who it is that sexually assaulted Kristen Keys. Can you believe if it's Tyler Perry, after all that man has built up? He has his own studio, movies, shows, all kind of stuff. But if you're a sexual pervert, predator, you have no business being in society like that. And Kristen Keys, the way he's accusing whoever did that to him, he's saying that y'all already named the person in the comments, and most of the people they name is Tyler Perry. And that would be sin to shame. Tyler Perry is involved in such a thing and has created so much. I don't know how a man like that, if that's true, you got all that money, do your little business like that down in a basement somewhere, nobody know. You got enough money to keep somebody silent, but not enough for, I guess, Kristen Keys. But allegedly they're saying Tyler Perry, TD Jakes. It's a mess on the internet. It's a mess. But anyway, I don't know if y'all heard about this or not, but maybe y'all have, and maybe y'all not saying nothing, but Miss Janita here talk about this stuff because it's all over the internet. I look at y'all videos and did all this stuff. When I'm looking at it on TV, it's all over the internet, and I get nosy and I got to go see what the heck going on because I hadn't heard of these people. Now I'm sure if y'all heard of somebody, y'all know from the movies or whatever, and you like the person, you gonna go check that out and see why your favorite person is being accused of such a thing. And do you see any they're giving you any clues to convince you that that's the person? Well, allegedly folks are saying they got plenty of clues that convince them that that's Tyler Perry because he's the only one got documentary, and Kristen Keys been in all most of his movies, plays. Tyler Perry started out with plays. But I don't know, if Tyler Perry gay, so what? TD Jakes gay, so what? But y'all faking and shaking, allegedly, if that's so, but it's each his own in life. But this is dirt, gossip, and it's all in my face, and it's curiosity killed the cat, right? But I'm just there like anybody else, curious, want to know, is TD Jakes fake and fraud? Tyler Perry, fake and fraud, doing all of these horrible, terrible things. And if Kristen Keys is saying this stuff, if this stuff is true, his butt need to come on and put somebody in a place, because this is not safe for a pervert like that to be in the street, because whose appetite is so big for men meals, or I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know if he mess with people younger. I don't know, but those comments were thrown out there on the internet too. But if this is the case, he need to let people know who it is, so people can save themselves from such a thing. Even if you are gay or whatever, And that don't mean you have to be raped or forced to have sex. And if somebody's doing that, gonna be doing that, and it needs some help mentally, because that seems like if you wanna force yourself on somebody, that's not cool. You really need some help right there. You can be that way, but you can't be forcing yourself on nobody and trying to take somebody's love or take somebody's body. That's not right. So Chris and Keys, folks are saying, need to come out and let folks know who the hell that person is, because that's dangerous, allegedly. But y'all, I'm through talking. I told y'all what we having for dinner: fried chicken, corn on the cob, fries, a peanut M&M, dessert. Oh, happy holidays. Oh, and y'all, have y'all been over to my crafting channel? Y'all been over to my gardening channel? I have advertised it on several occasions, so today I'm just speaking on it. It's Friday the 22nd, Saturday, 2 days before Christmas, 1 day before Christmas Eve. Will you guys have the fire going on the TV or on real life? The crackling sound. I used to love those crackling sounds in the fireplace when I was a kid at home. My mom and dad made the best fireplace fires. It was so nice and warm, and that sound so relaxing. But anyway, it's more stuff to discuss, but I don't want to make, well, too bad if I make it long or not. But I'm out. Let's talk to y'all later. Happy holidays. Happy eating. Happy saving. Save money. Don't go broke on the holiday. But I know a bunch of y'all still guilty shopping.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Spirit boosting time. 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 Spirit boosting time.
Get your emergency bag out of the closet, please. Stay ready. Get your emergency bag out of the closet now.